Hey, what's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy, and I just fulfilled something on my bucket list, baby. Standing right here. Oh my God! Look at it! Vinco mold. This is the 5-inch one. Landed in Denver. About to meet up with my boy Matt Luna. Then we off to do it molds, baby. Let's do work. Hey, let's give the next guy a treat here.
I was gonna say y'all man, lady.
Hey, this is how you get picked up from the airport. Yes, sir. What up? What up? What up? That's the way you get picked up from the airport. Yes, sir.
You already know.
Here's to the trip. Here we go. All right, we had to get some gas. Rock that guy and that guy. Drag diesel. Matt back there eating his donuts. Bucket list, man. This is Do It Molds right here. I'm about to go on a tour of Do It Molds, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
Yo, Skimp. This is MTV Cribs. Let's go check out the bag.
You want me to talk?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what to do with my hands. Alright, this is where we do a lot of our packaging.
Alright guys, I'm super pumped. We're finally at this group. We're gonna do a tour of their facilities. Check out the molds, check out the machines.
Look at all these.
Molds are made. This is where the magic happens. All the CNC stuff. We get some Essential Series molds and some of our lead molds get refined into the same machines. Here's some stock CNC molds, ready for sale, ready for order. This is our handle room. So this is where every mold, every lead mold that we sell goes through these doors. This machine will put the screws in your handles, like so. We'll put the screws in. This is where they all get packaged up, so if you get your mold from Cabela's, Bass Pro, wherever it comes from, they all get packaged right in here.
What's that mix so far?
Look at all these molds. This is heaven, bro. Boy, Matt Luna's here, so I'm gonna sneak up on him because he's doing a video too. So, oh man, I was gonna get you in action, bro.
Alright guys, so we just reached the warehouse portion of the do-it-molds facility. I'm looking at it right now. I'm going to show you guys here in a second. But there are molds everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
Boxes,
Holy smokes. Look at all this. Oh, victory hooks, baby. Whoosh. All the glitters. There's more hooks. I'm in heaven, man. More hooks. Here's all the paints. Eyes and stuff. Glitters. Skirts. Holy smokes, there's even more? So this is the actual place that I've been wanting to see forever. This place right here. This is where the magic happens. Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy, and I just fulfilled something on my bucket list, baby. Standing right here. Good.